to my channel. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Martinique. Please make sure you press that subscribe button to thumb this video up, and don't forget that notification bell so that you can be notified of the next time that I do upload. Today's video I'm actually really excited about. I'm going to be doing a review slash demo slash first impressions on One Size, which is by Patrickstarrr. If you don't know who Patrickstarrr is, I don't know where you've been, okay? Patrickstarrr has been around for a very long time. He came out with his own brand called One Size. He does have makeup now, but when I purchased this, it was only the makeup removers. But I'm actually really excited to try this. So, okay, here we go. I needed to pull my hair back first so that I can do this properly. Does anyone else like watch tutorials and they get like, I won't say irritated, but it just bothers them when people don't like pull their hair back? Oh, let me take these earrings out while I'm at it. And don't take their earrings out. Am I the only one? But you have the One Size Juiciest Makeup Remover Wipes. It says, because size matters, our giant size saturated wipes remove even the most stubborn makeup with one juicy wipe. For the ultimate makeup remover experience, pair with Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist and follow with Daily Face Cleanser. To remove your full beat face of makeup, pair with Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. Okay, and see, that's why I bought both of them, because I kind of felt like maybe they coincide together. Typically when people come out with like a line, it's better to use them all at the same time. And at least in my experience, it's just typically how it goes. This is the Go Off Makeup Dissolving Mist. It says, an epic continuous mist that dissolves makeup on contact. Infused with calming jojoba and brightening rose hip oils, makeup is removed without leaving skin feeling tight or dry. Our concentrated water-free formula creates a no-drip super slick surface for the ultimate makeup removal. It says you're supposed to spray 8 to 10 inches away from face until it is evenly coated, massage into skin, and gently wipe off. Okay, so that's gonna be interesting. So first things first, it's gonna be this. I can kind of already smell it. So anyways, let's look at my face first. I have eyeliner, mascara. I have like a full beat. Let's just say that, full beat. I did a little contour, highlight. I did it all, okay? I am gonna take out a wipe just to have it ready since it does go together. Let me smell it. I don't smell anything. Wow, this is huge. I could use this for my backside. I'm just kidding. I would never. This is how big it is. I love that. Ooh, okay, I can smell now. It's a light scent. Quick tip, if you do have makeup wipes, please make sure that you store them upside down so that, you know, all that moisture can reach the first one. Just a little tip there. Okay, so now I'm gonna spray. I'm like nervous. I don't know why. I'm not new to face sprays, but this is gonna be different. Do I shake it? It doesn't say to shake, so I'm not gonna shake it. Okay, here we go, y'all. And let us pray. No, I'm just kidding. Okay, here we go. Oh, that smells really good. First of all, ooh, I can open my eyes. First of all, God bless. But it's like a light, I don't even know how to describe it, but it's a light feeling. Oh, I probably put too much, I don't even care. But like as I'm spraying it, I honestly feel like it's little baby angels landing on my face to help me remove thy makeup. Oh my God. Okay, my eyelashes. Okay, I know I keep saying okay. First of all, I feel like I barely had to even touch the, I feel it coming off. Oh, that is amazing. Okay, I got so many emotions like at once, but in a nutshell, I feel like as soon as the little baby angels landed on my face, like they were already doing their thing. They were already like removing the makeup. That is amazing. Because usually with mascara, right, like it's all hard and stuff even when you use like the wipes and whatnot, but like this, and I can open my eyes. That's amazing. I can never open my eyes. I don't feel like the makeup's gone already, so now we're gonna go with the wipe. Oh, yo. Okay, my card decided to get full in the middle of me wiping my face, but I still have this wipe in hand, and let me, y'all, this is amazing. This is the best $30-something I've ever spent. Now let me just say, don't rely on makeup wipes But if you're someone, because I remember my clubbing days, okay? I remember when I was like too tired to take off my makeup sometimes, and I was that one that would like sleep in it. If you're one of those people, although ain't nobody going out right now because of Corona, but I'm just saying, if you've ever been that person, you're too tired from the club and you don't feel like taking your makeup off, this is like perfect for a situation like that, because you got these little makeup removing angels that land on your face with the spray, and then you like massage your face even though they already did most of the work, and it just takes your makeup right off. Like, it's amazing. And these makeup wipes don't tug on your skin. That's another reason why people are against makeup wipes, because when you're removing makeup, sometimes you're like tugging on your skin excessively, but this doesn't even do that. That was a great experience. I really enjoyed that. Like, it was like a little mini spa. Good job, Patrick. I don't even know what else to say other than, if you haven't tried it yet, go ahead and try it, because that was wonderful. Like, my whole face on a towel with the little assistants. There are little makeup removing baby angels in here, and they land on your face. And it's just amazing. That was wonderful. Well, guys, I'm gonna go in with the rest of my skincare routine. I'm gonna be using Fenty Beauty, of course. Have you seen that video? Link below. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, again, I think this is totally worth your money. You definitely need to go ahead and try that. I'll leave a link below where you can get it. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please make sure that you thumb it up. Subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, I will see you guys later. Bye.